Hello students, today I am going to explain you chapter 4, means the unit 4, a new name. This story is written by Linda Sui Park. Linda Sui Park is a Korean American writer who has authored several novels and picture books for young adults and children. Most of her work is based upon Korean history and culture. In 2002, she won the Newbery Medal for a single shot. Let's start this story. This is the story of a 10-year-old Korean girl, Kim Sun Hee, and her brother, Kim Tae Yul. It is the year 1940 and the Japanese have taken over Korea. The Korean people are very unhappy. They do not have the freedom to learn their history, follow their culture, or speak their languages. Suddenly, Suddenly there comes a new law. All Koreans are to take Japanese names. The children's father knows that the law must be obeyed or else his family could face strict punishment. So he helps them choose Japanese names that reflect their Korean roots. Now Sun Hee must learn to accept her new name. How does she feel? Student, this is a story of a 10-year-old Korean girl whose name is Kim Sun Hee and her brother Kim Tae Yul. Kim Tae Yul. And it was the year 1940 when the Japanese have taken over the Korea. And the Korean people were not happy. And they were unhappy because they have no freedom to do no freedom to learn their history, follow their culture, or speak their languages. Language. That's why they were not happy. And after that, suddenly a new law came. And what's that new law? Means all the Koreans are to take Japanese names. Means all the Korean people who are there, they have to change their name and they have to keep Japanese name. And children's father know that the law must be obeyed or else his family could face a strict punishment. Means the Korean family's father and children's father know that if they will not follow, they will not obey the rules and laws, then their family will get the strict punishment. So he helped them choose Japanese name that reflect their Korean roots. So the father of the family helped them to choose the Japanese name and that have the reflection of the Korean root. Now Sun Hee must learn to accept her new name. How does she feel? And Sun Hee is a Korean girl, then she has also to accept the new name. And after taking the new name, how does she feel? Let's start this chapter. When my turn came, I pointed I pointed to the letter K. Abuji gave me a new name and I went around whispering over and over, Kiko, Kanema, Kiko, Kiko. Abuji means Korean word for father. And Sun Hee is saying that when my turn came, then I chose the letter K. Means I pointed the letter K and my father gave me a new name and I went around whispering over and over and all the time I whispering that name. Why? Because I want to learn that name. And was that name Kiko Kanema Kiko Kiko. Japanese family names are usually long, like Kanema. Korean ones like one name, Kim, are short. Similarly, Korean first names are almost always two syllables, but Japanese first names can be long or short. And usually Japanese families names are long, and in Korean the Korean family's name it it will be short. And like the you can see Japanese name Kanema, it's too long. And in Korea in Korea usually they keep their their children's name in short name like Kim and other. And here is saying that Korean first names are always two syllables. Syllables means part of a word that contains single vowel sound and are pronounced as a unit. But Japanese first name can be long or short. It may be long or short. I liked how Abuzi had hidden our real last name in the new one he had chosen for us. And he had done the same for my first name as well. Girls' names Girls' names often ended in ko, which means girl in Japanese, but ko could also mean the sun's rays. So Kiko means rays of brightness, the same as my real name. And yet, while I could accept Kanema Kiko as a name, I could not think of it as my name. Kim is saying that my father had hidden our real last name into my new name. And here us means student, Korean family name. Kim means gold in Korean. It refers to a clan of people that live in the mountain. With this in mind, the father chooses Kanama as their Japanese family name. Yama means mountain in Japanese and Ken name is gold. Means has his her father has chosen the name that reflect his real name, and he had done the same for the first name well. She's saying that my father has done the same thing as he has done with his my first name. Girl's name often ended with ko, which means girl in Japanese, but ko could also mean sunrise, but ko means also the sun or rays. So Kyuko meant rays of brightness. So his new name, his Japanese name, is the rays of brightness, the same as my real name, and the meaning is same as her real name. And yet, while I could accept Kenema Kiko as a name, I could not think of it as my name. But she can't accept it that it was her name. For the next few days, there was terrible confusion at school. We had to call our classmates only by their Japanese names. Suddenly, the girl crossed the SL from me was Megumi, not Myungin, and the boy who sat behind me was Masaru instead of Young One. What happened after when the name has changed of all the children, means of all the Korean? For the next day, there was a terrible confusion at school. It may be happen, students, if anyone will change your name, it's all the students name, then you will be puzzled, you will be confused that you have to call them by their new name, and you are used to, it means you are in habit to call their real name, then it must be create a confusion. The same thing had happened there. We had to call the classmates by their Japanese names. On the next day, they have to practice that they have to call them with their Japanese name. Suddenly, the girl across the SL. SL means a long narrow space between rows of seats in a room. An aeroplane or train means there's a girl passed from in the room was Megumi, not Myungin, and her name was changed Megumi. And the boy who sat behind me was Masato instead of Young One. Now means he's saying that the name of the children has changed, and it's very difficult for us to remember it. Student, this is the explanation of page number 29. Paragraph 5, page number 30. Our teacher tried to be patient with us. If we forgot and used our classmates' real names, she prompted us gently at first but more sternly as the days passed. The teacher also keep patience, is calm with their students. Why? Because she can understand that it's really very confusing and it's very difficult to learn the new name suddenly of all the classmates. That's why teacher present with them. And when they forgot to call the and when they forgot their Japanese name and they call them with their real names, then teacher prompted means encouraged them to say their Japanese names. The teacher encouraged them and gently at first but more sternly as the days passed. But after, when the days has passed, the teacher has also become strict. But early she prompted them, she encouraged them, and she is calm with them. But when the days has passed, then she become strict, because she know that if she will not become strict, then they will not use to it. I was a good student. I had never once given the teacher cause to beat me. I was very careful to use everyone's Japanese name and to respond when anyone said Kiko, even though it felt as if they were talking to someone else. But the next day, my brain grew tired of being careful every single minute, and it happened. Kim is saying that I was a good student, and I had never given a chance to my teacher that she will beat me or punish me, because I'm a good student. I never do mistake, and I am very careful about this. And I was very careful to use everyone's Japanese name. Means Kim is saying that she was very careful to take everyone's Japanese name, and she is careful about that कि when anyone is calling him Kiko, means they are for with a Japanese name, then she will respond. And it's very difficult if I will student, I will change your name and I will call you, then you must take time to learn it and miss to understand that anyone is calling to you. Then she is saying that I'm careful for both, means I was careful to call anyone Japanese name, and I was also careful that when anyone is calling me calling Kiko, then I have to understand that and that person is calling to me because my name has changed. And but when they were talking to me, then I feel that they were talking to anyone else, because Kiko is my Japanese name, it's not my real name, and I think that they were talking to anyone else. But the next day my brain grew tired of being careful every single minute, and it happened. But what happened the next day, her mind become tired because she has to more careful every minute. That's why her brain become tired. I chose the worst possible moment to make a mistake. Onishi-san was in the room. He was a Japanese army officer whose job was to make sure all the students were learning to be good citizens of the empire. San means respectful way to address someone in Japanese. Kiko is saying that I have chosen a worst moment, means I have done a blunder, and that time is also very worse, means when I have to not done do the mistake, then I have done. And what she has done, Miss Onishi Sen was in the room when she has done something wrong, she has done any mistake, then there was a officer, Japanese army officer were there, and his duty is that to make sure that all the students were learning to be good citizen of the empire. Here empire means student, Japanese empire means the duty of that Onishi-san, means Japanese army officer, to look after that the students were following the Japanese culture, or they were calling to the to the students or the classmate by their Japanese name or not. He is always looking after that. But what happened on that time when he was in the room? Let's see. He came into our classroom several times a week. Often in the middle of the class, we always stopped what we were doing and bowed to him. Then he had stand at the back of the room and observe us for a while. I could tell he made the teacher nervous. I tried especially hard to give the right answer when he was around. Kyuko is saying that that officer means army officer can came any time in means middle of the class in can came in the middle of the class, and he not only once a week or several times a week he came into that class into their classes several times in a week and even in the middle of the lesson. And when he came, then everyone has to stop their work. Means if the teacher is teaching, then she has to stop, and the students is also to stop their work whatever doing. The students, as you can see in our school, means in everyone's school, when teacher is teaching and you are studying, and when other teacher is came or coming and anyone, then we have to stop because we want to see that, and you have to stand up and you have to wish them good morning, good afternoon, because we are showing the respect. The same thing happened means when that officer came into their classroom, then they have to stop their work, and what the officer is, and they have to bow to him. And what the officer is doing, he stand at the back of the room classroom and observe for a while. Means he observed that all the students are following the cultures and taking the Japanese name of their classmates or not. And when he entered into the classroom, then students become very nervous, and teachers also. Not only the teacher become nervous, students become nervous, teacher also become nervous. And Kiko is saying that when he was near to us, means around to us, he was near to me, then I tried, especially tried to give the right answer when he was around. But what happened on that day, let's see. That day I knew he was in the room. I knew I had to be extra careful not to make mistake. And somehow I did the very thing I was trying so hard not to do. I said Myungin instead of Megumi. But what happened on that day when he was, means the army officer was there in the room, then she was very careful. There here is saying that I knew I had to be extra careful not to make mistake, and she had tried a lot to not to do any mistake. Here is saying I was trying so hard not to do, but she had she had made a mistake. And what she had said, she said Myungin instead of Megumi, means she has taken anyone's name, Korean name, Myungin instead of Megumi. She forget and by mistake she has taken the Korean name, and that was only his mistake. Sorry, her mistake. But what happened? Onishi-san heard me. He made a funny sound in his throat like Then he looked at the teacher and made an abstract motion with his stick. But when she taken Korean name, then what happened? That officer has heard, and he made a very funny sound with his uh, in his throat like and he means he's showing that he is not happy and he has heard. And after that he looked at the teacher and made an abstract. Abstract means a sudden and unexpected motion with his stick. The teacher glanced at him quickly and then at me. Kiko, to the front, she said. Glance means to look quickly at somebody. The teacher looked quickly at the army officer, then again quickly she looked at Kiko and she said, to the front. Means Kiko, do your work, look at the front and do your work. Because she know very well that if Kiko or any Korean will done mistake, then they will got the punishment. The class was suddenly silent. I could see the surprise in the faces of the other students. After all, I was daughter of the vice principal and I had never been beaten before. When she has done this mistake, then all the class suddenly silent because she is the daughter of the vice principal and she was a very good student and she never done any mistake. That's why, and she has done mistake, and that's why the class was surprised that how she has done the mistake. and she was a vice principal girl also, and she had never beaten by before this by the teacher of in the school. In the brief moments it took me to walk to the front of the class, I saw the teacher's face. She looked so unhappy that I felt sorrier for her than for myself. She didn't want to beat me, but she had to because Onishi-san was there. But what happens? She has to come outside, means in the front of the class, and she's saying that I saw the teacher's face. Means the teacher was also unhappy because she don't want to beat Kiko, and she's a really a good girl, good student, and it was not a too big mistake that she should got the punishment, and teacher don't want to beat her, and student all the teacher don't want the beat any student. If she beat, then she want to make improvement in you, that, and the teacher of the Kiko was not happy, and Kiko can see this Kiko can see that the teacher was unhappy on her face, and that I felt sorrier. Here sorrier means, sorry means is the comparative degree of sorry, and the Kiko is saying that I was sad, I was very sad for my teacher. I was sad for myself, but for more than for my, sorry. I was so sad for my teacher more than me. She didn't, because she didn't want to beat me, and but she has to beat me. She had to beat me because Onishi-san was there. It was so unfair. First, our names were taken away, and then we weren't given any time to learn each other's new names. Kiko is saying that it was really unfair with us. Why? Because firstly, Japanese have taken their name, means they have to keep the Japanese name, and they didn't get time to learn the names of their friends or their classmates. If they will got the time, they maybe did not make mistake, but they didn't have, miss didn't get the time. That's why Kiko is unhappy and upset. Student, this is the explanation of page number 30.